Debugging is the process of finding and fixing software coding errors. About 80% of software development time is devoted to debugging. So if we follow good practices, that is, after completing every step, you have to run the application and ensure that things are right, and you have to use console.log appropriately. In this way, you may reduce the time spent on debugging. Let us see how to debug the client-side scripting. So this is our calculator application. So right click, go to inspect. You have tab sources. There you see calc.jsp, calc.js, and this is your scripting code. By clicking on the line number, you can set a breakpoint, and let's give some numbers, 33, 22, and if you click on this button, now the execution is passed in debugger, and you can step over by pressing this button. You can execute line by line, and you can also watch the values, and the moment it's over you can run this. Done. This is our calculator application, and by clicking on the line number you can set a breakpoint, and after setting a breakpoint you need to go and debug the file. You should not run it, you should go for debug file. Now the application is running, and let us provide some input. The moment I press this button, an AJAX call is made to the servlet, and there is a breakpoint in the servlet. So let's click. As you can see, now it is passed in the debugger. Now you can execute line by line by clicking on step over, that is F8. So next, so line by line you can execute, and by placing on the variable you can also watch the values, and after completing the debugging you can click on continue, and output is 55 is shown.